Welcome to AMDECON. My name is Michael J. Tillman, and I founded AMDECON way back in 1999. If you've come to this website, that tells me you have an interest in crime scene cleanup, meth lab decontamination, and/or hoarder property cleaning. And if that's the case, and you're looking for training, you've come to the right place. AMDECON has trained more people around the world than anyone else. We've trained people in every English-speaking country on the planet. We know what we're doing, and we've been doing it a long time. We've got tons of information on this website. It would take me an hour to tell you all about our training. That's why we took so much time and spent so much time and energy making sure all your questions are answered on this website. But you need to do your part. You know, we're talking about your future here. That deserves some time and energy be put into it. Read everything we have on the website. Watch the video samples. Go to our course list. See the courses we have to offer. Once you click each course, you'll get all the details about that particular course. We have frequently asked questions under the More Info tab. Under the More Info tab, you can read reviews by real students. We've got video samples, so you can see what the training videos are like. We've just got a ton of information for you on the website. We've even got a page that tells you how you can get financing for our courses if you want it. Go to the About button, learn about AMDECON, learn about us, learn about AMDECON's history, learn about me and my credentials and my history, and you'll see why I'm authorized to train you. Let me help you. Everything you learn in our courses took us 10 years to learn, and we had to learn it the hard way. You don't need to do that. You don't need to reinvent the wheel and make all those silly newbie mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes in the beginning. I wasted a lot of time, energy, and money. You don't have to do that. It's your future we're talking about here. Invest in yourself. Take the time, take the energy, read everything we have to offer on this website. Follow all the links. I know everybody's short on time today, but it's your future we're talking about. It deserves some serious attention. I'm here to help you. I'm here to transfer every bit of knowledge I have to you. That's my job as an instructor. You can be studying 5 minutes from now. You can be fully trained and certified by this time next week. There's a lot of crap out there on the internet. We've been here a long time. We've been doing this a long time. We have a great reputation. That's why we have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. You know, most of the stuff you're going to read on the internet is absolute BS. You know, there's one lunatic out there that says all you need is a $20 bloodborne pathogen course from the Red Cross. That's absolutely absurd. You know, there's another company that has excellent search results all over the world, but the problem is they don't actually do training. Matter of fact, they tell you they don't do training, but yet they want to tell you that employers do all your training on the job site. No, that's not true, because if you're on the job site, you're at a health risk. You need to obtain the proper training and certifications before you get exposed to those health risks. So trust AMDECON. I don't know what else to tell you. We're here. We've been here for you since 1999. I've got everything you need. But again, you got to take the time and review this stuff and read everything and watch the video samples, read the student reviews, and then you can get signed up. The sign-up process is real easy. Just read the instructions before you go signing up. There's a certain way the sign-up process has to be done so that your account is trouble-free, and as long as you follow the instructions, you won't have any problem. Get signed up. Seriously, you can be studying 5 minutes from now, and you can be fully trained and certified by this time next week and starting on your new future. And I'd love to help you on that journey.